Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to do top 5 ways to get rid of hiccups. Let's do it. If you got the hiccups, why not shake them out? Percy, can you get rid of my hiccups? Sure. La 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 la. Wow, thanks. And if you can't shake them out, try burping them out. Percy, can you do something about these hiccups? Well, just burp them out. Well, okay, but do you have some soda? Right here. I think that worked. See, that was easy. And if you don't agree with those two, just hold your breath. Percy, I need some assistance with my hiccups, please. Try holding your breath for 20 seconds. Okay, you can relax now. Wow, you're really good at getting rid of hiccups, Percy. If hiccups are really annoying you, someone can assist you by scaring them out. Percy, my hiccups are really annoying me. Ah, my eyeballs! They're gone! Just kidding. Percy, that's not funny. You scare me to death. Hey, I think you scared the hiccups out of me. And now, if any of those 4 don't interest you, the number 1 way to get rid of hiccups is to look for a tanker of milk and drink it up, of course. Percy, little help, please. There's a tanker of milk on my flatbed. Ooh, thank you. That was nice. Hey, my hiccups are gone. Thanks for the milk, Percy. Yeah, except I was taking that to IHOP. Oh, sorry.